Today we're going to show you how to get out of these by using these. These are standard bobby pins. I just bought them at the store. What is important to note is how this works. So this is Smith & Wesson real handcuffs, police grade. There's a few ways to get this loose, but today we're going to use a bobby pin. So it's important to know how it works. So you see these ledges right here? That's how it works, right? Inside there's another lever that holds it tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get loose of it. I'm going to tighten myself, and I'm going to do it with my right hand just so you can see how it works and so we can go over the techniques. What you want to do is you want to mess with the lock itself. This is the lock. It goes both ways. So if you do the right side, it might go loose, or the left side, depending on where you're using it. So I'm just going to grab a standard bobby pin. What is important to note is from this bobby pin, you want to use this side, not that side, because it's already bent. So you're going to open it up. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into the lock and you're going to bend it. Right? You're going to put your finger on it once you're in, and you're going to bend it over. It shouldn't break. And then you can bend it a little bit more. And then you're going to kind of get like if you do it like this, like a little bit of an L shape, right? So you're going to go into the lock. And then sometimes you can feel where that lever is. Sometimes you don't, sometimes you do. But in stressful situation you might not. And we're just going to try it out. So you're going to watch me try it a little bit until I get the right way. Need a little bit more of an L shape. And sometimes I get it right away, and sometimes it takes like 3 or 4 minutes. I'm just going to turn around in there until you finally get it. That's the goal, right? Oh, almost out of there. So I hear it clicking, I'm just not getting the connection I want. So what happened with mine right now is I'm over the lever, so it slid over it, but it didn't open. So what you want to do is you want to pull it out again. And we're going to try again. And that's how you use it with a bobby pin.